Jump starters with integrated air compressors combine two essential roadside tools into a single compact unit: a high-current jump starter and a tire inflation system. For motorists, fleet operators, and outdoor enthusiasts, these devices reduce the need to carry multiple gadgets, saving space and weight while providing rapid emergency performance.
Product number 1. Gulu A3 Jump Starter with Air Compressor. The Gulu A3 pairs a 3000A jump starter with a 150 psi tire inflator in a compact 3.58-pound package. It supports up to 9.0-liter gas and 6.5-liter diesel engines. It offers a 1,000-plus charge cycle battery with a broad operating temperature range. The device also doubles as a power bank, LED flashlight, and includes an 18-month warranty. Notably, it uses a 12-volt lithium polymer battery and provides 7-in-1 functionality, including a digital pressure gauge and multiple nozzles for diverse inflation tasks. Pros emphasize its high peak current and robust inflation spec, while cons include the lack of disclosed price in this listing and potential trade-offs in long-term reliability given frequent use in extreme temperatures. Performance-wise, the A3's 150 psi max with 35 liter per minute airflow enables rapid inflation, demonstrated by claims such as inflating a Tesla Model 3/Y tire from 30 psi to 36 psi in about a minute. The built-in BMS and 10 protection features enhance safety for battery management and user protection. The LCD interface and smart detection streamline operation, but real-world inflation speed can depend on battery health and ambient temperature. The 18-month warranty offers reasonable coverage for a device in this class. Use case notes: ideal for single-vehicle households or small fleets needing fast beaters for emergency starts and tire topping in variable conditions. Product number 2. Jump starter with tire inflator. YDBDB's 12V jump box delivers 4000A peak, supports engines up to 10-liter gas and 8.0-liter diesel, and includes a 150 psi digital air compressor with auto stop and a comprehensive 24-month warranty extension. It also functions as a power bank and LED flashlight with 8 nozzle attachments for varied inflation tasks. Priced at $79.99, it sits at the premium end of the tested range and emphasizes raw cranking power and a robust accessory suite. Performance-wise, the 4000A peak translates to strong hold start capability, supported by a 28,000 mAh battery bank. The compressor's auto stop at the preset pressure reduces risk of overinflation. The unit's safety suite, overcurrent, short circuit, overvoltage, overheating, aligns with expectations for high current devices. Real-world considerations include the weight, 2.2 pounds, and the need to manage heat under heavy use. The included USB-C and multi-mode lighting enhance usability for roadside emergencies. This model is best for users who require maximum cranking power and a broad accessory array for tire and inflator tasks on a wider range of vehicles. Product number 3. Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. The JHXB-DH model combines a 4000A jump starter with a 150 psi digital tire inflator and a 28,000 mAh battery into an 8-in-1 device, offering USB-C and multiple LED modes. It claims the ability to jumpstart vehicles 65 to 70 times and supports a wide range of inflation use cases with 4 pressure units and 5 preset modes. It weighs 2.9 pounds and emphasizes rapid inflation alongside strong jumpstart capability. Performance-wise, this unit's 150 psi max and 35 liters per minute flow rate translate to fast tire inflation comparable to other high-end models, with automatic shutoff to prevent overinflation. The device's user experience benefits from an LED display that shows real-time pressure, battery status, and error codes.
The 1-year warranty is shorter than some competitors, which may impact long-term confidence for regular travelers. Use case suitability includes cars, motorcycles, bikes, and sport equipment, making it a versatile all-around tool for quick roadside service.
Product number 4. Portable car jump starter with air compressor for emergencies. The Nico Creos unit is a compact, budget-friendly jump starter with an integrated 150 psi tire inflator, 12V system, and LED features. It claims 3000 A peak current and supports engines up to 12-liter gas and 10-liter diesel. It also focuses on a simple, portable design with an LCD display, USB charging, and a 12V system suitable for light to moderate emergency tasks. The device emphasizes portability and value, making it attractive for basic roadside needs. Performance-wise, the 150 psi inflator with 35 liter per minute flow enables quick top-offs, while the 3000 A peak supports typical mid-sized vehicles. The device offers multiple pressure units, bar, PSI, kPa, kg/cm squared, and a 4-mode LED light. Practical considerations include the need to fully charge before first use and to keep the battery health in check with periodic recharges. Its lighter form factor and 1-year warranty position it as a convenient, budget-conscious choice for occasional use rather than heavy-duty or fleet deployments. Product number 5. Jump starter with air compressor. The Nobiwa model targets budget-conscious buyers with a 300A startup current, 600A peak, and 150 psi inflator, supporting engines up to 8.0-liter gas and 5.0-liter diesel. It includes multiple pressure units, an LED light with SOS mode, USB charging, and a compact form factor with 8-liter tank capacity emphasis. It's positioned as an affordable, versatile tool designed for everyday carry and light emergency use. Performance-wise, the device's 300A startup current is adequate for many modern vehicles in moderate climates, but may struggle in extreme cold or for larger diesels. The 150 psi inflator, 35 liters per minute, and auto shutoff deliver reliable inflation for most passenger tires and light off-road tires. Build notes highlight safety features like over-discharge protection and short-circuit protection, plus a 100-cycle life expectancy. Given its $41.99 price point, it offers compelling value, though longer-term reliability and higher-end inflator performance will depend on usage frequency.